So yeah guys, there are a couple things that I really wanted to address, especially in regards to things that beginner riders should not be doing. Alright, let's go back to the previous video, or a previous video should I say, where what happened again? Yeah, the bike fell, or I fell off the bike. Basically what happened was I was going down a slope, and that slope was the slope was rocky, filled with rocks, and also it was wet, and I was going down the slope in neutral. Blood! What's it? The blood seed! What? How much gear me now a while ago? Blood feed. Yeah, I go down the slope in a neutral. No, normally you shouldn't do that as a beginner rider. You shouldn't be going down a slope, especially when it's wet, and going down the slope in neutral. I always try to go down the slope in at least second gear. That way the bike uses its own force to slow down, and that way you use less brakes. So basically what I was doing was I was using too much front brake, right? Because I didn't have any other way of slowing down. You know, I had to use a brake. So basically me I use the front brake now, and when we use the front brake now, grab it up, my foot catch in between, and my foot the wheel. Why you take the bike wheel caught between the stone, and it just turned. You see me? I am kinda glad that I had it on video so that I can show to you guys, so you guys can actually learn from it. You see me? Beginners as well, yo, like, why wouldn't always a speed? Wouldn't just learn to ride bike? Why not speed? Take on the time, yo, like, you go get to your destination, take a little time, just like how me they are cruise. Yo, sometimes the best way to go is to cruise, dog. Like, you don't have your speed. You don't have your speed for sure everybody say, yo, you're a biker, you're a rider, you see me? Take a little time and move. You will get there once you don't do no foolishness. Yeah. No, for know what happens is you see an experienced biker and he try prove to him, say, yo, you catch the craft, and you see me, them can't lift your road, brother. Yo, sometimes you have to just, brother, suck up your pride, dog, and say, yo, make him go on. If him want to run with left, you just call it a day and say, yeah, him run with left me. You see me? Call it a day and say, yeah, him run with left me, dog. But me I take my time. Just like how in one of my previous videos then. In one of my previous videos then, my brethren say, yo. My brethren say, yo, him not go follow we and go F up himself. Him not go follow we and go screw up himself. She's right, brother, you're a beginner. Take your time, learn one step at a time. Someday you'll get to where we are, but no matter force it. No matter force it, sir. You see me, think just take time, you know, yo, we never learned to ride bike in a one day, you know? Well, I kinda learned how to ride. Woo! I kinda learned how to ride a bike. In a very quick time in a day. But what I'm saying is, you're not gonna learn to do everything in a one day. Rome wasn't built in one day, dude. Especially skills. Skills don't just come like that. Skills take a while to develop. And then even when you develop them, you have to constantly be practicing them over and over and getting better at it. You know, improving yourself. So, as a young rider, as a beginner, nobody prove to nobody. The only person you have proof to is yourself. You see me? Because at the end of the day, that's all that matters, yo. Like, you're going to end up proof to somebody, and then next thing you know, you go around the corner and something lick you off of your bike. You're dead. You see me? Where the proving thing for? You're not going to know it. You see it? So, it is what it is, man. You will learn over time. So don't rush it. This bike thing, this thing that we call bike life, it will always be there. It will always be there. Even when you're 80. Just ask God for the strength. Just hope and ask God, say, yo, you have the strength to continue ride bikes even when you're that age, and you know, hope, say, yo, you're not feeling no pain here and there, but yo, like, it does always energy. See all this with the stoplight, the far and the depend red. Just take your time and cruise and go up to the stoplight. No need for a rush to the stoplight, because it done the red, you can't go through unless a left you go. Like you can know when a car have a broken stoplight. You see, like if you see the car at speed for reach a stoplight, you know say stoplight a turn yellow or a turn red rather. You can know, brother, certain things you just have to look for in the streets, dog. Yeah, stoplight a while ago, I see a car bus it a come down now, I say, yeah man, nothing more than the light upon yellow. Now what is? Nothing more than my bus it come down, I did a foot gear. Yo, I don't know what happened to me. Since we have VI gear, me a tapping. A vehicle can be crossing from the left lane. A vehicle can be marked with police down there. We just give a green light, I'm still going up the road, but yeah. See, out here, so it's very dangerous. Because vehicle cannot come from over there, so if come over. You see me? A vehicle from here, so if come over. So most of the time I prefer to take the middle lane, because that way in your mind you're only looking out for vehicles from the left lane. This are from the right lane and the left lane. You know, that's very dangerous as well when we as bikers approach a stoplight and we are getting ready to go in front of a vehicle and the stoplight turn green and the vehicle where we are trying to go ahead of them just take off. That's dangerous because a lot of people we say after we fault, but we can't control the stoplight. Our job is to go in front of the vehicles, right, and create more space for vehicles behind us to get in the line. You understand? So that's another dangerous part. So you have to really watch. You have to really watch when you approach a stoplight, you know, to go in front of a vehicle. Yeah. So I have these videos so that you guys can learn from them. I mean, I have no shame in what I'm doing, you know. Drop off on my bike, yes. Most of us riders, at some point we will fall off our bike. honestly speaking, most of us, some will go their whole life without dropping off, which is a damn good thing. But most of us will fall off our bike one way or the other. Not that we want it to happen, but I just the inevitable. I just something bound to happen. You see me?